That's disgusting. Ooh, that's rough looking. So today in the shop, we're gonna go ahead and fix our valve cover. We are still working on all of our side right here from where we got in our wreck a couple weeks ago, but just got our aluminum valve cover in. So we're gonna go ahead and take our old one off. Got an OEM valve cover gasket, throw that all on, and hope we can take care of some of these leaks. Let's get started. First thing, hop back here and disconnect your battery so we don't have any check engine lights. All right, now that we got our battery disconnected, let's go ahead and take some of this trim stuff out of our way because we're gonna need to get all back in there. I believe that's all you have to do. And then that, and boom. Just like that, that little box comes out. Twist this guy to get it to come out. There. Pop this out. Now let's grab a little pick for these and 10 mil. Pick or a screwdriver. We're just gonna keep the nuts in there and set it off to the side. Let's pull our ignition coils out. There. Get the harness out the way. Now this one you don't want to lose. All right. Get that off now. Let's get our O2 sensors out the way. All this big bolt head back here. Now for our coils, pull through here. Boom. All right, we got all brand new coils, so let's go ahead and pitch all these. And now let's get all of our 10 mils loose. Now it should just come right out. Boom. Luckily, these ones aren't a solid piece of plastic like they were last time when we did this. All right, just got that out. Let's get our spark plugs out. Ooh, that's rough looking. That's disgusting. That is horrible looking. All right, just got the old plugs out. Let's drop the new ones in. We got fresh OEM plugs, fresh OEM coils, and a nice fresh OEM gasket. These are all the old spark plugs. That's one, and you can see it's a completely different spark plug than literally all the other ones. But look how bad those middle ones are. That gasket we just replaced, I don't know, a couple months ago. But hopefully this OEM one does way better. I'll drop a little bit of some anti-seize on the end of these, and that'll be plenty. There's one. Let's do the rest. Let's clean up this gasket surface and get the new one on. All right, should be clean. Let's get some gasket maker, throw the new gasket and valve cover on. So you just want to get this a little bit on these little mating surfaces right here. And a little bit down here on these half moons. And just like that, got our RTV. All right, just got that on. And all the gaskets underneath. That looks like that's good and in place. Now let's get a couple of these. These need cleaned up. All right, so these bolts are absolutely disgusting, and I don't want to throw them on that shiny new valve cover. So we're going to take all of our bolts and take the gaskets off and go drop them in the parts washer for a little bit. Hopefully they'll clean up. So I just went and took all of these screws all over to the parts washer because I didn't realize I have a full bag of brand new ones right here. So I guarantee these gaskets are nowhere near as good as the ones I've got, but they're brand new. So we're just going to try them out because the ones I've got are just from O'Reilly's. So we throw these on there for now, and if they start leaking, we'll swap them over. All right, those are all done. Let's get these wires all tucked back where they were and finish up. These are another thing that I'll need to get cleaned up one day. These little O2 sensor brackets. This thing looks horrible. Now let's get this. Let's grab some coils. Now let's connect this little nut right here, which is in the parts washer. All right, got a little nut out of the parts washer. It does look like it was painted black, so it's not going to get perfect, but maybe good enough. All right, let's get our cover on. All right, let's come over here and button the rest of this up, and then we'll be good to start it up. And there we go. Now we should connect our boom. Should have been the last piece up here in the engine bay. Let's wipe it down. All right, should be the last little piece of the engine bay. Let's give it a nice little wipe down, and then we'll start it up, and we'll see how much it smokes, because it's about to smoke a lot. We're gonna go ahead and reconnect our battery now, and then jump in the car, fire it up, and watch how much it smokes. That thing didn't really smoke nearly as much as I thought it was going to, but this looks a lot better. I don't know why they just didn't do this from factory. Now we're just gonna go ahead and jump back on fixing this thing. We created an entire video basically going over trying to take care of our check engine lights and all that, and that's still just put on the back burner. Now I got to fix this wreck, and then we jumped onto this, so it's kind of all over the place. So watch out for that video. Should be popping out here soon, and then we'll obviously drop the video on clearing all of our cluster and all of our gauge lights with a little bit of this, a little bit of that crank sensor, and some more.
Go ahead and drop a like and subscribe, and we'll be posting those soon.